In this video, we will see how to create queries with criteria. We have a table, and in this table we have a lot of information. Now we don't want to view everything at once. We will try to create a query. On the basis of that query, we will filter our records. Let's say we want to create a query where we can only see the first name and the city. We don't want to view other details. So let's close this, create query design and add. We can have multiple tables here also. Now we want to see the first name and the city. This is our query without criteria at the moment. Now you can see we have something like this. Now we go back to the query again. Now city, we can come and display a specific city. That is our criteria. Suppose we want to display only New York. Whatever you type in the criteria must be correctly spelled. If there is a spelling mistake, it's not going to work. Now we want the first name of all those people that are in New York. So let's click run and have a look. We can see here we have 6 people in New York. Okay, now we want to create a query where the job should be a purchasing manager and the city should be, let's say, New York. So we can remove this and we can add these two things. Now for the job criteria we have a purchasing manager, and for city we have New York. So now when both the criteria are true, only those records will be displayed. You can see here we have 2 records with job as purchasing manager and city as New York. Okay, now we want to create a query where the city should be Miami and the quantity should be more than 100 or more than 100. So we have city and we have quantity. You can see here we have city as Miami and quantity as more than 100. So this is how you can create a query with some criteria. Now you can have multiple criteria or a single criteria.